Hey there, future doctors and medical professionals. Do you ever wonder what's the real deal with this spine of ours? Well, today we are diving deep into the spine, exploring its anatomy and physiology, learning some crazy facts along the way. So let's get started. The human spine, the true pillar of our body. It holds us upright, allows us to move, and protects one of the most important parts of our nervous system, the spinal cord. The spine is made up of 33 to 34 vertebrae, stacked one on top of the other, and divided into 5 regions: 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 5 sacral, and 4 to 5 coccygeal vertebrae. Each vertebrae is like a small architectural masterpiece, strong enough to support us, yet flexible enough to allow movement. Between them sit intervertebral discs, soft, cushion-like pads that absorb shock and prevent bones from grinding against each other. What makes the spine even more fascinating is its S-shaped curve. This gentle curve acts as a natural spring, helping us walk upright, balance, and absorb the impact of every step we take. Without this curvature, running, jumping, or even bending would be painful and damaging. But the spine isn't just a support structure, it's also a protective shield. Inside runs the spinal cord, the body's information highway connecting the brain to every organ, muscle, and sense. Every movement you make and every sensation you feel travels through this protected channel. Here's an amazing fact: despite appearing solid, the spine is incredibly flexible. Thanks to its vertebrae, discs and ligaments, we can bend, twist and rotate in countless ways. On average, a person makes hundreds of spinal movements every single day, often without even realizing it. And did you know this? Our height changes throughout the day. In the morning, we're about 1 to 2 centimeters taller because the discs between the vertebrae absorb fluid overnight. As the day goes on, gravity compresses them slightly, making us just a bit shorter by evening. The spine is powerful, but it's also delicate. Poor posture, sitting for long hours, or lifting heavy objects incorrectly can lead to pain or injury. That's why it's so important to strengthen your back muscles, stretch and maintain proper posture. The spinal cord itself is a marvel of nature. Let's take a closer look inside. The spinal cord is a thick, rope-like structure that originates from the brainstem and extends down through the vertebral column. It's like a superhighway for nerve impulses, sending and receiving messages between the brain and the rest of the body. But it's not just a passive pathway. The spinal cord has its own reflex center, allowing it to process information and react quickly without needing input from the brain. For example, when you accidentally touch something hot, your hand moves away before you have a chance to think about it. That's thanks to the spinal reflex arc. Now let's talk about the vertebral column. These are the bones that form the spinal column, which houses and protects the spinal cord. Each vertebrae is unique, with the cervical vertebrae in your neck being smaller and more mobile than the larger, more robust lumbar vertebrae in your lower back. They all fit together like puzzle pieces, allowing for flexibility and movement. Between each vertebra are the intervertebral discs. These are tough, fibrous discs that act as shock absorbers, protecting the vertebrae and allowing them to move smoothly against each other. The discs are also crucial for the spine's flexibility. The human spine is truly a remarkable structure, allowing us to bend, twist and support our upright posture. It's a complex network of bones, nerves and tissues that work together to keep us moving. Understanding the spine's anatomy and physiology is essential for anyone interested in healthcare. By learning about the spine, we gain insights into the incredible complexity and resilience of the human body. We learn how our bodies adapt to the demands of daily life and discover the importance of taking care of our spines through exercise, good posture, and a healthy lifestyle. So the next time you take a step, bend down to pick something up, or simply stand up straight, take a moment to appreciate the spine, the remarkable structure that makes it all possible. We hope you enjoyed learning about the human spine with us. If you're eager to dive deeper into the fascinating world of medical science, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring the incredible inner workings of the human body. Thank you for watching. See you soon.